Jai Srimanarayana. 122nd Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vararohaya Namaha. O Srimanarayana, you are the supreme goal that can be attained by every one of us. O Srimanarayana, you are the supreme fruit that can be enjoyed by every one of us. You are the supreme because wherefrom we do not have to come back to the cycle of birth and death. That is why, O Srimanarayana, you are the supreme fruit for us. Your place is the supreme place for us. You are the supreme goal for every one of us. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Vararohaya Namaha. Om Vararohaya Namaha. Visualizing Srimanarayana within our own heart, who can help us get rid of the cycle of birth and death and give us the supreme place wherefrom we don't have to come back to this cycle. Let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Valmiki Ramayanam, Dasaratha Maharaju, in Kaikas Antahpuram, he is crying a lot. He is craving to see Rama at least once before he die. He is saying that Rama, Rama, I am very much thirst of seeing your face. Like that he is crying, and in Ayodhya, entire Ayodhya is decorated for Rama Pattabhishekam. Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi, along with so many people, along with all the ingredients required for Rama Pattabhishekam, he is, Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi is approaching Dasaratha Maharaju's palace, where Dasaratha Maharaju along with Kaikamma is there. Now Vasishtha Maharshi, as he is coming very close to Antahpuram, from Antahpuram, Dasaratha Maharaju's most confidential person, most beloved minister, Sumantra is coming out of that Antahpuram. Sumantra is also decorated very well. So now Vasishtha Maharshi is saying that, Oh Sumantra, you please go inside and convey this message to Dasaratha Maharaju, saying that Vasishtha Maharshi came along with all the ingredients. And please tell Dasaratha Maharaju in detail that Vasishtha Maharshi came with all the Ganga Jalam, Ganga river waters, all the waters from oceans, and silver, golden, wonderful tumblers, and also such a wonderful Simhasanam for Rama, and all kind of ingredients also brought here you please tell Dasharatha Maharaju that I brought honey, ghee, yogurt, all darbha, flowers, milk, and 8 divine kanyas, the girls, and also wonderful elephant, and also a beautiful chariot which has 4 horses. We brought big sword, we brought big bow, we brought beautiful pallak, we brought beautiful white umbrellas, we brought so many gold kalasas, we brought bulls, we brought all kind of great horses, and also we brought divine Agnihotram and all kind of divine instruments we brought, and also so many people, they decorated themselves and came here. All acharyas came, all brahmanas came, all cows came, all other animals came, even birds also joined. All kind of, all categorized people came here to see Dasharatha Maharaju come out, so that we all can go ahead and do Pattabhishekam for Sri Ramachandra Swami. Everyone is excited to see Rama Pattabhishekam. So please tell Dasharatha Maharaju, oh Sumantra, go inside and tell Dasharatha Maharaju that the Sumuhurtam, that good Muhurtam is coming very close. Please ask Dasharatha Maharaju to come out. Like that Vasishtha Maharshi told Sumantra. Now Sumantra is getting inside the Antapuram of Dasharatha Maharaju. Because Dasharatha Maharaju likes Sumantra a lot, Dasharatha Maharaju already told the security guards not to stop Sumantra whenever he comes. So now Sumantra is getting inside, nobody is stopping him. He went inside saying that Raja, Raja, with so much of joy and happiness and excitement, Sumantra is addressing Raja, Dasharatha Maharaja, please come out, everybody is waiting for you. Let us all go ahead and do Rama Pattabhishekam. Like that, while addressing Dasharatha Maharaju, Sumantra entered inside the Antapuram. What happens there? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 13th sloka. Rudro Bahusiraha Babhruhu Visvayonihi Suchisravaha Amrutaha Sasvatasthānuhu Vararoho Mahatapaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Shriman-Narayana. Om Vararohaya Namaha. Om Vararohaya Namaha. Om Vararohaya Namaha.